We have given a few videos on margin, and there we have discussed margin and margin level. Hope you have watched that video. But if you don't watch that video, today's video won't be very useful for you, so I request you to watch that video first. And today we will discuss used margin and free margin. So if you want to survive in Forex, you have to know and obey, so watch the video for a minute. Hopefully your time will not be wasted. Hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. Let's see at the beginning, what is the used margin? To understand used margin, you must first understand what is the required margin. When you enter a new trade, some amount is blocked from your balance as required margin. As long as that entry is running, a certain amount of money is blocked as the required margin. Once the entry is closed, it becomes free, and then you can use or withdraw it. If you have entered multiple currency pairs at the same time, some amount will be blocked from your balance as required margin for each entry position. Suppose you simultaneously take entries in USD CHF, NZD USD and gold currency pairs, and the required margin for those entries are $10, $15 and $20. So these are deducted from your balance. Now if we add all these amounts, that means different required margins together, then the total amount will be called used margin. Simply put, used margin is the amount that the broker blocks to hold entry positions. This amount can no longer be used to take new entry positions. The reason is that this amount is already used, and that is why it is called used margin. If there is one running then one, or if there are many runnings, then many entries will be counted. If we think that your account balance is $500 and you have 3 entries running, if the required margin of 3 entries are $10, $15 and $20 respectively, then these 3 must be added together to calculate the used margin. So the used margin will be $45. So $45 will be blocked as long as you have 3 entries running. This $45 cannot be used for other entries or withdrawn. But remember, when you close those entries, these blocked amounts will become free, meaning you can use them later. Since these are blocked due to entries, they are called used margins. It is possible to calculate the required margin per entry. It varies from currency to currency and broker to broker, but we have shown it in detail in a video for those who want to know about it. You can watch our video so you can calculate it yourself. Now let's talk about free margin. Free margin refers to the difference between equity and used margin. In short, free margin is the opposite of used margin. Free margin is also known as usable margin because you can use it for new entries if you want, hence its name is usable margin. As I said, you cannot use used margin because it will be blocked, but you can use free margin and it will not be blocked. This is free amount, so you can use it to take new entry positions. Free margin is known by various names such as usable margin, usable maintenance margin, available margin. How to calculate free margin? Quite simply, if you deduct your used portion from the original balance, what remains is free. By original balance, we mean equity, which will show you real-time balance. If there is any running entry, then by calculating profit or loss will show real-time balance. Free margin equals equity minus used margin. If you have any new entry, and if there is a profit in that entry, then your equity will increase, which means your free margin will also increase. If there is a running loss, it will also reduce your equity amount, due to which your free margin will also decrease. So if you have equity of $500 and used margin is $100, then your free margin is $400. This was today's video. Hope you understand, but before ending the video we have a request to you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then subscribe now, and click on the bell icon next to it so that you will be the first to receive all the updates from FOREX BD. If you have any questions or if you want on video on any topic of your choice, then feel free to comment in the comment box, and we will upload the video on the topic of your choice so that you can know about it.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the FOREX BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that FOREX BD can meet your needs all the time.